Hi, this is Gail, the Legacy Lady, and I am so excited that you have found this page. If you're watching this video, this means that you have clicked through and you've decided that you are ready to start telling the first page of your story. Specifically, you're ready to get comfortable with writing the stories of your Girl Scout experiences, of your scouting experiences, everything from when you were a daisy, if they had daisies back then, or starting as a brownie or a junior, or if you just called it Girl Scouts. So, regardless of when you started your Girl Scout journey, every moment of your Girl Scout experience is important. And when we share those experiences with our scouts, with our daughters, with our girls, with fellow leaders, volunteers, and other staff members, we empower each other to recognize the value and the absolute joy and the adventure and everything that we experienced as girls. And it's a huge, huge affirmation of everything that we pour into scouting as adults. And I think sometimes we forget to share it, we forget to talk about that part. It's easy to get wrapped up in the paperwork and the nitty gritty and the things that can make you working with youth hard and complicated and sometimes saps the joy out of us. And this writing session that I'm so excited to bring you from the Legacy Recorder from me is an opportunity to come together with other scouters, other Girl Scouters, and share your experiences, learn how to write about them, and learn how to record them in a way that you will feel comfortable sharing them with your scouts, sharing them with your leaders, and sharing them with other staff members. And I truly, truly believe that once you have gone through this experience, you will have a much greater comfort level in talking about your scouting experience in a way that doesn't sound like you're oversharing or um, or any of the negative feelings we might experience as women when we try to share part of our story. So I sincerely hope that you will click yes or click I'm in any of the little orange buttons and join me on this incredible writing journey that I cannot wait to help walk you through. And as it says on the page, the timing of this is inspired by Juliet Lowe, our founder, and her sharing her story and her experiences and her sharing her love of adventure is how we all came to be here in this place to begin with. And I think this is a perfect way to honor Juliet Lowe on her birthday and around her birthday by helping you figure out how to share your story. And feel free to use this experience to frame a meeting, frame a volunteer session or a training session of anything inspired by Juliet Lowe. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me or comment. And I look forward to seeing you in the workshop.